Yo, what's going on? So today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Child Predator Gets Caught Twice in Same Day. Let's get into the video, man. Let's see what they talking about, man. Weirdos out here.
Today on Uncovered, watch police give this creep a reality check not once, but twice for trying to talk to minors, and all within 20 minutes too. It all started when officers were responding to unlawful or suspicious activity at a commercial plaza, to which the callers had this to say.
So, we both hired a gentleman, his name's Kareem. He's been told, because he's been fired, he's been told not to come back into either one of our stores. He repeatedly does so.
Okay.
2 nights ago, he was harassing one of my 16-year-old minors. I was not here, it was that night. The employee that was there and witnessed it, she's at the store right now.
Is this him right here or what?
No. Dude is over at Walgreens with a 14-year-old right now. My minor that he harassed and was calling her sweetie, honey, sugar, everything. He followed her home. My son walked her home. He lives in his car over there in the parking lot. I have his license plate. And he walks in and out of our stores constantly, doesn't buy nothing, and we've been repeatedly asked not to come in our store.
Okay.
And
okay.
he lives in he's homeless and he lives in his car.
Does the person he's with right now, does she have a cell phone and stuff?
I don't know who that little girl is.
But she left with him willingly?
Well, yeah.
He was talking to her, trying to spit his game to her,
and
he asked her if she was 18. He said, no, I'm only 14. She said, oh, and then off he goes with her. So if we find her dead and murdered, it's okay because she willingly went with him.
Yes, people are allowed to,
Hold on. He tried to spit his game to a 14-year-old.
are allowed to be friends with other people.
No grown adults allowed to be as friends with
She is not called now. We're looking for them right now, but I'm just saying
They're
right now all we know now.
They're inside Walgreens. The little girl has a blue shirt.
Is he a male black or
yes,
male
white? Yes, he has a backpack on.
Another officer heads into Walgreens to search for the suspect and encounters him with the underage female right by the door. Watch how he immediately begins to play dumb and hide his true intentions.
You got ID on you?
I'll be right back.
Yeah, is everything okay?
Do you guys know each other? Okay, so I got a call. How do you know each other? How do you know each other?
You're clear at Walgreens.
Correct, that's the third time I've asked. How do you know each other?
Is everything okay, sir?
Okay, you refuse to answer, that's fine. All right, if you how old are you? 18 at least? Yep, if you come out here to my car with me, bud.
Is everything okay, sir?
I'm investigating something right now. You have been named and everything. I need you to step out to my car right now. You understand?
No.
Okay, you can either walk out there or I'm going to escort you out there.
Wow.
It's your choice. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
Jesus, I'm coming.
Let's go. You can stay right there.
Whoa.
Take your book bag off and have a seat. Take your book.
It's on recording, by the way.
As am I.
Right.
I'm 14.
I'm a regular citizen. You're harassing me. I'm not doing it.
Start me a car to Walgreens. Have a seat.
Oh,
there you go.
why are you being so hostile?
I'm investigating something right now, and you are not complying with me whatsoever, okay?
You're out of the blue saying nothing. That's kind of suspicious.
I need your ID.
Okay.
All right?
I haven't done anything.
Black male with a backpack, and then she's a light-skinned female black with a blue.
How would someone not here know that?
I haven't done anything.
With them over to
She's
Walgreens.
recording,
We don't have an offense right now.
Look, you're arresting someone for no reason.
Who said you were under arrest?
This is how hostile you have been towards
Not been
me.
hostile at all?
Yes, you have.
I
You grabbed,
appreciate
I've never said I wasn't going to
You
come
pulled
outside.
away from me. I told you I was investigating something.
touching
You're
me.
pulling away from me.
Right, and
I
I'm
told you
trying
going out to my
to
car.
agree to your terms
That's
and
what I told
conditions,
you.
but you're not giving me any information. I'm
Okay.
not following blind.
I told you that I'm investigating something. Correct?
Right.
Okay.
I have no right to as well. Like, what is... She's still recording. That's kind of embarrassing.
Everything's recorded, bud.
Right, that's
Everything
cool.
is. It doesn't bother me one bit.
It's been recorded, but I'm just...
Okay? Is your dad home? Is your dad home?
Can I get a reason why? I don't think that's the situation that...
At this moment, I can't speak freely about that, okay?
That doesn't make sense. You're here
It absolutely does.
Oh, she sound like a kid. Yo, how can you? Oh my God. What? Yo, this dude is a weirdo. Like, yo, this is crazy.
Protect, not distress.
You need to hang out for a minute. Go to have a seat in the car for a minute.
And is everything okay? Can I have
Yes,
that?
everything is okay. Right now, you are not under arrest. You are detained. I'm investigating something, okay? So I need you to have a seat in the car. Have a seat in the car. Get in the car completely. I am shutting the door.
Wow, it's brute force, huh?
Nothing's brute force.
That is brute force.
I've explained everything to you so
No,
many
you have
times.
not. You said you were
Get in the-
investigating.
Correct. That's all you need to know at the moment. I can't speak freely. right now.
But if it's
get in the car.
information on me, why not?
Because it's an investigation. That's why.
Let's be thankful that at least
Go.
everything's okay.
Get in the car.
It is everything's okay. I haven't done anything.
In. Watch your leg there.
After detaining the suspect, the officers speak to the juvenile female to try and teach her a lesson about talking to strangers.
Wait, hold on. Before he shut the door completely, he said he was like racist. Like, come on, bro. Everything ain't about race, bro. You're a freaking weirdo.
Get in the car.
It is everything's okay. I haven't done anything.
In. Watch your leg there.
That's racist.
After
Like,
detaining the
come on.
suspect, the officers speak to the juvenile female to try and teach her a lesson about talking to strange older men.
Is your dad home?
That's
I can call him right now. I'm trying to be very civil, very easygoing.
At the house. So
Why aren't you allowed at
know.
home?
It's none of your business. I don't know why you're.
So we received a call. Okay, you're still a juvenile, correct? Okay, we received a call that an adult male, make sure you, well, first of all, how do you know him?
How do I know him?
Correct.
Because he lives on me.
So if I called your dad right now, he'd be okay with you being with him. You're a juvenile, he's an
I
adult.
literally just was talking to him outside.
Okay.
Am I not allowed to have a conversation?
Listen,
I'm Christian.
you're being
so
silly. You're being silly.
No, I'm not being silly
Okay.
because I was having
Listen.
a conversation. Go ahead and tell me why.
We received a call that there was a male harassing female juveniles, and it's been an ongoing issue. They described you two to a T. Okay? So that's why I'm investigating.
Oh no. I promise you nothing. No.
So how do you know him?
I know, like, I've seen him around here. I was being nice. I want to have a conversation with somebody. I'm Christian, so I see somebody and I want to have a conversation, be nice, and have a conversation. I'm going to have a conversation.
Okay.
And I just wanted to, I was just.
I don't even want to look at this girl. Like, this is insane, bro. This is nuts. This is nuts. And you could tell by the way that she's talking, in a few years, we might actually see her back on the channel or whatever for another one of these videos, because she got a little bit of an attitude problem. You know what I'm saying? Like, listen, you don't take candy from strangers. You too young. You a little girl. Yeah, like what? 14. What grade is that? That's like, man, what grade is that? That's like 7th or 6th. One of them grades. 6th or 7th grade, I think. Yo, that's insane. And this guy is an adult? Oh my God, this is disgusting.
Talking to him. I saw somebody in my skin. He seemed cool. I wanted to talk to him. That's sad. Like, there's nothing going on. And I don't know why that person couldn't have came up to me or said something or whatever, because that's just not adding up. Like, what? Okay. It's just nothing, like, it's weird.
The other officer explains how the male suspect was fired from both establishments owned by the callers for habitually trying to flirt with customers who were clearly underaged.
Is this your first time having contact with him?
Like, kinda.
Okay.
I've seen him before. I just was having a conversation.
His car's in. Okay. So, you're well aware of what's going on. You've been fired from Jersey Mike's. They don't want you back. You're harassing juveniles. That's the report we're getting. Listen.
Whoa. I don't even work at Jersey Mike's.
Not anymore. Correct. Listen.
I'm listening. What else? Last.
They don't want you back at Jersey Mike's.
I haven't been there.
The complaint that we received is that you're an adult. You are an adult.
I am an adult, and I'm being treated fucked up. Like, what's
not at all.
Yeah, it is.
Look, body cam's been on the whole time. I'm not concerned about anything. Okay. I've explained things to you. I told you what I needed you to do. I told you I was investigating something. It's very plain and simple.
Right.
Okay.
And I'm following with your procedures, but at the same time, you're giving me no information.
Okay.
You can't just lock someone up and then.
Are you locked up? No, you're not.
Yes, the door
No
is
handcuffs.
locked.
You were detained. I told you I was investigating something.
And I was
Clear
walking
as day.
out.
I'm not going around with you.
Right there? Okay.
Jersey Mike's doesn't want you back.
That's cool.
They've been saying that you're harassing. Listen.
I'm not harassing anybody.
Female juveniles. Okay, that was our call. Here you are with a female juvenile. You guys don't even know each other.
She came up to me because she needed help. I had peace. I was going to give her some food or nothing. I don't know her background.
So why wouldn't you tell me that? Where I have more venues to help her.
Where?
Say again?
You said, what was you about to say? A warrant?
Why wouldn't you tell me that, is what I said.
I didn't want to throw her business out there in the public. And then you just harassed me and
no one's harassing
yes,
you.
You are.
We had a call for service.
What you call it, detaining?
Detaining?
Detaining, yes.
That's not harassment. I'm investigating something.
You came up to her.
You heard on my radio they described you to a T, correct?
Right.
Someone not even here.
Over there. I was literally over there 2 seconds ago.
So,
At Dollar Tree.
correct.
And then the lady who came over there ran to my face. She's harassing me. Right.
No, she felt something was going on. A male adult is hanging around female juveniles.
No, I'm hanging around myself. She came towards me and I was asking her that she needed any help.
Okay. So,
If we were to take this court, everyone know who I am. I'm just saying.
but I'm not concerned with that.
Okay.
So, you're banned from over there. They don't want you back. They're
That's
trespassing
cool.
you, so don't go back over there. My understanding is your car's still over there, correct?
Yeah, my vehicle's there. It's my mom's.
Good deal. All right.
But it's not over there towards Jersey Mike's.
Okay.
So,
Well, this is what I'm going to say. It's obviously a shared parking lot with lots of businesses there. It is. When this could have been a conversation inside Walgreens, it could have been.
No,
but
that's
you
throwing her
chose
business
to.
out there. Then. It's throwing my
That's
business
silly.
out there.
That's absolutely silly.
What you just did was silly.
Not at all. It was my job. So you're good to go. Go get in your car. Go about your business.
Thank you.
We're not allowing a female juvenile to go with you.
That's cool. That's peachy green.
Okay. Do you want me to drive? Is your car
Nope.
still?
Go.
Hey, did you tell
What
him
is your guys' problem?
So
You know what? You guys are messed up because I just was talking.
if we called your dad right now,
Yes.
what would his reaction be? You threw it out there that he works for the county. He's a sheriff's deputy. If he threw it out, if I called him right now, I have his number. If I called him right now and said, hey, I just located your daughter.
You're not letting me talk, so I'm not. I wish I had cameras. I wish I had room on here right now, and I.
This has been on the whole time.
Okay. Well, your light's not on, and his is.
Well, I'm telling you. Listen. If you're new to the channel, whatever, welcome. You know what I'm saying? If you stay, you like the content, you stick around, I appreciate it. If you don't, hey, we're gonna catch you on the flip side. But for those that stick around who are subscribed to me and that will subscribe after watching this video or whatever the case may be, and you guys are here for the long run, I'm telling you, this girl is on the road to being back on the channel in a couple of years. I'm telling you. You could tell that she got the little sassy attitude, this and that. She fast, you know what I'm saying? She moving fast. Like, listen, slow your roll. Don't you got homework to do or something? Like, go play a sport or do something, but no, you want to be out here with, with grown men and stuff like that.
Okay. I don't know why
You are a female juvenile going up to male adults. That is not okay. On any level. You don't know who he is.
I was having a conversation with him. I wasn't in the car with him. I wasn't holding his hand. I wasn't none of that. I was nothing. I wasn't doing anything wrong. I was having a conversation, walking with somebody. It's just like walking with, there's literally nothing wrong with that. I was walking with him. So, it's not like I'm sexual with him. I just met him. I didn't get out the car with him. I wasn't doing anything. It's fine to walk with somebody. It is totally fine.
That you don't know.
I'm done because I need to hold my anger right now because I just met somebody and you messed it.
An adult male.
Because I wasn't doing nothing. I'm not gonna do this with you because I already told you I wasn't doing shit.
Did I say you were?
No, yes, you were like you walking around with. Dude, he didn't do nothing. I was telling you that. I told you he didn't do nothing wrong.
Did you?
I told you he didn't do nothing wrong. You saying he harassing me. He ain't doing nothing.
No one's harassing anyone.
That's what you.
You need to get head over
I responded for a call for service.
Okay, you said you just told him he can't be next to me.
No, we're good.
He's an adult male. You are a female juvenile. You guys do not know each other. You're not family friends, anything like that.
I told you
There's nothing good that can come of that.
in your minds, yes, but in mine, because I'm Christian and I'm kind and I do all of this where I will become friends with people. You guys just did way too much. Like, yes, you did because he wasn't doing nothing.
Did you hear the report that he's been harassing female juveniles from his workplace? That may, I don't know. Do we know if that's why he got fired?
He doesn't even work there, which that's
Correct, he got fired.
He just moved here. I lied when I said I didn't know him. I've known him for a hot minute. So you can.
Good. No, we're good. We're good. All right. Have a good day.
The officers tried their best to explain to the juvenile how nothing good can come of a relationship like this, especially given the suspect's habitual harassment of underage females. The officers returned to their normal patrols. However, not even 20 full minutes later, they received a call about the male suspect back in Dollar Tree trying to talk to more juvenile females. Officers returned to teach him his lesson, and for good this time.
You're lying. No way.
He's back.
Is he back?
Yeah, he went back.
Okay. 4 boy 11. I'll be out with that trouble half again back out of Dollar Tree. Ma'am, you want him arrested, right? Put your hands behind your back.
Whoa.
No, come here. Do not walk away from me. Do not walk away from me. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Excuse you?
I need another unit over here.
I can't use the
Put your
restroom?
hands behind your back.
Hold
Get
on,
him.
sir.
Now, I'm not asking you. Put your hands behind your back.
Yeah.
Take him to the ground, boys.
Stop! Okay. You're gonna get tased, dude. Stop it. Put your hands behind your back.
Don't touch my stuff.
Put your hands behind your back, man. Come on. Stop. Stop.
Lord.
Don't touch my stuff. What part of you're under arrest don't you understand? They gonna go through your whole thing. Like, what do you think this is? Like, you don't wanna cooperate? You still wanna be a creep? They gave you a break the first time. They let you go. You know what I'm saying? Whatever. The girl was defending them and this and that, whatever. They ain't really have much, whatever. But that's your warning. That's your warning. And you come back to damn near the same spot? Like, come on, man. Yeah, you are a certified weirdo. We need to get you some we need to get you some help immediately. You know what I'm saying? You need to go into some type of program because you are, yeah. If you didn't already, you will eventually in the past actually mess with one of these
I need to put...
411, check up.
Stop resisting. Stop it.
Stop resisting now.
Stop 14 we're on, so
Stop resisting now.
Just cuss me.
That's clear.
That was pretty silly.
Double lock.
It's not. You guys said Jersey Mike's. I went in here to use the restroom. That's racist.
What are you reaching for?
That's racist.
What are you reaching
Watch your hands. Watch your hands.
What? I don't have anything on me.
Leave your hands behind your back.
Go ahead, chop my pockets.
Double lock
Whoa,
handcuffs.
whoa. That's got a hole in the pocket.
Hold on. Cuffs are tightening down.
You can check my ID and
Take my.
everything.
You're good.
Like I said, I'm an innocent citizen.
No, you're fine.
Still being recorded.
Should be good. Double check him again when we get him up.
You can't.
We'll roll you on your side and get you up.
That's cool. But when I was told from you, sir, Owens, Mr. Owens, and recorded.
Sorry.
It's racist.
Stop moving. Stop reaching for stuff. You're under arrest. Knock it off.
Walk him out of the car. I don't get the rest of it.
It's racist. My people gonna see this. It's over this town. Y'all wanna make accusations. Can't use the restaurant.
Well, it all started because you're hanging out with a female juvenile,
I
but
wasn't hanging out with a female juvenile. And it's all on recorded too. Racist. Oh, yeah, racist. I have the right to.
pathetic, man. Absolutely pathetic.
Statements from any of them or anything like that.
Or if any of them saw what happened. We need it from anybody.
What did you guys think of this arrest? Do you think that officers should be allowed to take more action when it comes to dealing with potential predators?
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.